Hello smart viewers, how are you today? Welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'm going to explain you the use of simple past tense and a short story. Well, this story is also related to the use of simple past tense, and we can also improve our English speaking skills with the story. Well, the title of the story is A Foolish Farmer. After the story, I'm going to ask you some questions. So you should listen to me carefully and memorize the story. Alright? There was once a foolish farmer. He had a good hen. The hen gave him an egg every day. He sold the eggs and he got much money. One day, the farmer thought there must be many eggs inside the hen. If I kill the hen, I shall get many eggs in one day and I can get much money immediately. So he caught the hen and killed it. But when he cut it open, he did not find any eggs inside. The hen was dead and he could not get any more eggs and he could not get any more money either. How foolish the farmer was. Alright, now I'm going to ask you some questions about it. Question number 1. Did the farmer have an egg? The next question. What did the hen give him every day? The next question. Did he sell the eggs? The next question. Did he get much money? The next question. What did he think about the hen? The next question. Did he kill the hen? The next question. Why did he kill the hen? Well, did he find any eggs inside the hen? The next question. Was the hen dead? The next question. Could he get any more eggs? The next question. Could he get any more money? The last question is, what do you think of the hen? And what do you think of the farmer? Was the farmer foolish or was he very clever? Alright, it's interesting story, right? I hope this story is useful for you. If you like this video, please subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.